Despite a series of Apple events in 2024, the iPad mini 7 remains one of the most awaited products. The upcoming device promises to bring exciting features, some much-needed upgrades, and minor design tweaks. Let's dive into the leaked features and explore how this device might compare with the previous model. The first major leak surrounding the iPad mini 7 focuses on its design. According to Techipedia, Apple will keep the overall design introduced in the 2021 model, which features an all-screen look with squared-off edges. This sleek, modern appearance seems to have resonated well with users, and Apple is expected to retain the same dimensions and general build. While no major design changes are rumored, it's likely that the lightweight and compact structure will make the new version just as portable and easy to handle as its predecessor. Another exciting leak hints at possible new color options for the upcoming device. Apple is known for refreshing its product color palettes with each new release, and this time around, the iPad mini 7 might feature trendy shades like wine red or pastel yellow, following the color trends seen in recent iPhone and iPad releases. This leak by Ming-Chi Kuo suggests that while the device will retain the familiar form factor, these color options could bring a fresh look to an already popular design. However, these updates appear to be more cosmetic, aimed at keeping the device visually appealing rather than introducing any major changes to its physical build. Another leak, which is more technical, is about the display. The current iPad mini 6 sports an 8.3-inch liquid retina display, but users have reported issues with jelly scrolling, where the screen refreshes unevenly during portrait mode scrolling. This has been a point of contention, and Apple is reportedly addressing this problem in the upcoming model. The new iPad mini will likely feature the same display size and basic LCD technology, but with improvements to scrolling smoothness and durability. However, it seems that ProMotion and OLED technology will remain absent, with Apple reserving these higher-end features for its more premium tablet lines. Despite this, the fixes to the display's performance should offer a noticeably better user experience. A notable leak involves speculation about whether the upcoming iPad mini could feature the powerful M1 chip, similar to the one found in the iPad Air. While this would certainly boost performance, rumors suggest that Apple might not make this move just yet. According to a tweet from renowned Apple insider Mark Gurman, the decision to use the M1 chip in the iPad Air was likely driven by the limited availability of the A16 chip at the time. This indicates that Apple may have had to adjust its plans due to supply constraints, rather than fully committing to the M1 for future models. So, while it's possible the iPad mini could eventually receive the M1 upgrade, this might not be the case with the upcoming release. Mark Gurman believes that the iPad mini 7 will feature a processor upgrade, potentially the A16 or A17 Pro chip, but still, it may include at least an M1 or M2 chip to align it with everything else in the iPad family. Another area where Apple might make slight but noticeable improvements is the camera. The current version offers a 12-megapixel rear camera and a 12-megapixel front ultra-wide camera, which are decent but not groundbreaking for a tablet. According to Techipedia, the upcoming model will retain similar specs, but may feature software enhancements that bring it in line with Apple's latest devices. Features like ProRes video recording and photonic engine are expected to be introduced, adding more functionality for those who enjoy taking pictures or recording videos with their tablets. Storage options are expected to remain the same, with 64 GB and 256 GB configurations being the most likely choices. This is consistent with Apple's approach to the mini series, as higher storage tiers are reserved for the Pro and Air models. For users who rely heavily on cloud storage or don't use the device for intense gaming or content creation, 64 GB should suffice. For those who need more space, the 256 GB option is still available. Battery life is another area where improvements are anticipated. While the iPad mini 6 provides up to 8 hours of usage, the new model could offer better efficiency, either through optimization or improvements in battery technology. However, given the compact size of the device, any changes in battery life are likely to be incremental rather than revolutionary. According to Macworld, the iPad Mini 7 is expected to be priced similarly to its predecessor. The Wi-Fi model will likely start at around $500, while the Wi-Fi plus cellular version could start at $650. These price points ensure that the device remains affordable, especially for those looking for a portable, yet powerful tablet. As for the release date, most rumors point to an October 2024 launch, likely during an Apple event that could also feature other products like new MacBooks or updated iPads. What are your thoughts on these potential upgrades? Will you be upgrading to the iPad Mini 7? Or do you find your current device sufficient for your needs? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on upcoming Apple products.